The good news about Jesus has come to Matthew chapter 28 from verse 1 to verse 20. Now, after Sabbath done, early Sunday morning, the first day of the week come, Mary Magdalene and the next Mary go look upon the tomb. And all of a sudden, one wicked earthquake shake up the place. Because what a God, the angel them come down from heaven and come roll with the stone and sit down upon it. Indeed, look bright like a lightning and enclosed did white like snow. The guard, them did so frightened. Them a shaking of them bone. Them drop a grog and tiff out like a dead. But the angel said to the woman, them say, not afraid. Me know say Jesus who I look for. The one where they kill on the cross. You know there, because God make him come back alive. Just like what him did say. Come, look which part he did a lay down. Then, hurry up and go tell him follower them say, him dead and come back alive. Him a go to Galilee till you no come. Only we see him there when you reach. I tell you no, where me did fi tell you no. Listen what me say and do what me say you no fi do. The woman them take off quick. Them frightened and glad same time. And them run go tell Jesus follow them. But Jesus meet them up and said to them, say, heal. Them come to him, bend down a ground, hold on upon him foot and worship him. Then Jesus said to them, say, no afraid. Go and go tell my brother them, say them can go to Galilee. Them will see me there. Same time, them will go there so. Some of the guard them go in at the town, go tell the head priest them everything will happen. After that, the head priest them meet up with the elder them and cook up one plan. Them give the soldier them one whole heap of money and say to them, say, and this unfi tell everybody say. Him follow them, come in at the night and come thief him body when we went asleep. If the governor hear the Toria, we will work it out and make sure say, we not get in and no trouble. So then take the money and do what they tell them to do. And people still attack that Toria amongst the Jew them up to the day. Yeah. So Jesus 11 follower them go to Galilee at the mountain when they tell them to go. When them see him, them worship him. But some of them they ain't too sure if I him. Then Jesus come say to them, say, God, give me power over everything where I live in heaven and upon earth. So go on, use for me power, teach me message to people everywhere. So they can turn me follower too. And use the power where the Father, the boy picnic, and the Holy Spirit give and baptize them. Go and go teach them to listen and follow all of the rule them when me go no. And remember, me no left uno none at all. Me there which part uno there till time done. And God word this. Thank God.